Today we're looking at the Density Altitude Interactive Calculator, an essential tool for engineers working with aircraft performance, engine testing, and altitude-related calculations. This calculator solves a critical problem: determining how air density changes with altitude and atmospheric conditions, which directly impacts lift, thrust, and overall system performance. Let's explore the 5 calculation modes available. When you open the calculator, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Select Calculation Mode with these options: density altitude from pressure altitude and temperature, density altitude from station pressure, temperature, and dew point, air density from pressure and temperature, density ratio and performance impact, and pressure altitude from station pressure. For our demonstration, I'll select the first option, density altitude from pressure altitude and temperature. With this mode selected, you'll see 2 input fields appear. The first is pressure altitude in feet, and the second is temperature in degrees Celsius. Let me walk you through a realistic example. I'll enter 5,000 feet for the pressure altitude field. This might represent a mountain airport or test facility elevation. For temperature, I'll input 30 degrees Celsius, representing a hot summer day. After clicking Calculate, the result shows a density altitude of approximately 8,200 feet. This output tells us that although we're physically at 5,000 feet, the air behaves as if we're at 8,200 feet. This means reduced air density, which translates to decreased engine power, reduced propeller efficiency, and longer takeoff distances, critical factors for aircraft operations and engine testing. One common mistake engineers make is using field elevation instead of pressure altitude. Always correct for local barometric pressure first. Find the link in the description below.